Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my Anfield Road expansion update. I won't say daily, so I've been here for almost a week. So yeah, I went away Monday to Friday, got back Friday afternoon. I'm tired, couldn't be bothered making a video then. Saturday, it rains all day. So here I am, Sunday. So I'm going to have a look around and just see if there's anything that I can notice has changed. From the ground it doesn't look like a lot. The clad hasn't come round anymore, the crest hasn't gone up. I've had a total break away from YouTube also. I haven't watched any of the other lads' videos, so if anyone knows anything, let me know. Yeah, I'm just looking around now, I can't see much has gone on. I'm glad Buckingham must have watched my video and said, you know what, we'll wait until Kev's back and then we'll start working again, just so he doesn't miss anything while he's away. Right, let's have a look at what these are doing on the scaffolds. Also, it's the brickwork going up there then, okay. So that's one thing that'll have changed while being away, the brickwork will have gone up, won't it? See, brickies fascinate me. When it's a wall like that and you just see them going, you know, layer by layer, up and up, and then you see how do you get to these parts and you think, how do they do them parts? You've got to get round stuff and everything. It looks too complicated for me. So fair play to them. I wonder why the crest hasn't gone up though, because there's a rumour it was going up the day I went away, so I don't know what's going on. Yeah, so the scaffolding inside's coming out. Well, that's the noise you can hear from the ground anyway. So that's a good sign. Premier League starts next Saturday, 6 days away. Bet you everyone's dead excited for that. Everton had their final pre-season game yesterday. There's a 1-0 win for them over Sporting Lisbon, which was a good test for them. Liverpool, I don't know their next pre-season match. It's tomorrow and it's Monday. Tomorrow, Monday, yeah. So, I've done little round things. Yeah, they're playing in Preston, aren't they, Liverpool? So that'll be their final pre-season game, and then it's ready for the start of the season then next week. Let's have a look down this corner here. This big yellow things appeared in the sky that I haven't seen for a few days. It's blurring my vision on the screen. Typical Brit, aren't they? Moments raining, moment it's sunny. Okay, seeing what that was in there. I wonder why the cladding hasn't come on now. Obviously there's a reason to it. Maybe you haven't quite finished at the back of that stand there. Let's have a look at the forever stones while I'm here. That's looking really nice around there now. Just missing the benches or whatever's going in there. So, hold on. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, will they have the Champions Leagues on them? I hope so. The so conserves right on that. And bit of break down here is coming on well. That's nearly done now and there. Look, there's only a little bit of white left. Okay. The windows. Yeah, we're getting there, aren't we? No one on the roof, but there's plenty of ropes on the roof there. Okay. Right, let's get over the pitch and see what's going on there. Have we got a marked out picture, by the way? What we have? Let me get higher. Keep me in sight. If anyone wants to have a look at the seats, I'll have a look over from the cop ends tomorrow. There we go. Pitch all marked out, looking great. Them lamps make the pitch look as though it's starting to die. Well, it's just a light shine on the ground. It looks a bit brown, doesn't it, with the light on it. Okay. So I'm going to come over the Kenny stand and I'm going to have a look at that corner. If there's anything being... It's gone too far over there to come back a touch. Has anything gone on there? I don't think it has. That wall's, is that wall new? I don't know, but there's no real noticeable differences there. These cladding pieces on the front of this shoulder span as well. This span here still hasn't been done. Wonder when I'm going to get that done. Okay. I thought they'd have been, you know, the little tiny bits like that, they'd have been done by now, but obviously not. It's going to come back round. A bit windy today. Looks like it's going to be a short one today. Simple reason. Just there's stuff going on, but it's not a busy site today. There'll only be a lot going on down here. Front of the corporate here. It's like corporate, the hospitality section. Big pavement slabs, are they? Yeah, big pavement slabs ready to go down. What's the road saying? Is that too much? No, not a lot going. There's not a lot that I've noticed. If I'm missing stuff here and I'm just being stupid, just let me know what I've missed. All this here looks a lot clearer because that was full of stuff when I was last here. So it must be one of the final knockings, but yeah, I'm a bit confused. Or am I just missing something? Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. Yeah, I had a good breakaway. Little breakaway in caravan in Wales, that's all it was. Kids enjoyed it. Loads of activities like wall climbing, jumping off this thing onto a big mattress like a stuntman, boat rides, swimming. Oh, there's loads to do there. Yeah, it was a good time. Little tiny breakaway. And I'm back now. So yeah, if you like the video, please subscribe. Comments, I always reply to them, and likes are always appreciated because it helps to spread the video to other people. But apart from that, guys, thanks for all the kind comments that you give me over the last week or so. Tell me to have a good break and stuff. I really appreciate it. I've recharged my batteries, and I'm back to get the final knockings of this going up now. So, as always, look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.